Now, because Mark Pomerantz had written a book on the subject of his time at the Manhattan DA's office, because he was a Trump hater working to build this case, because he may have broken laws on rules of legal ethics, statutes, we wanted to interview him in the House Judiciary Committee. That interview occurred today, and I can report exclusively to our Firebrand audience. Mark Pomerantz, the prosecutor who was literally in charge of building the case against Trump, pled the Fifth to almost every question we asked him today. I asked him if he violated Donald Trump's constitutional rights. He took the Fifth. I asked if he violated standards of legal ethics. He took the Fifth. I asked if he misused federal funds. Fifth. I asked if he broke any laws during his time with the Manhattan DA while investigating Trump. And he exercised his constitutional right not to incriminate himself. While every American is entitled to take the Fifth, and taking the Fifth in no way means that someone is guilty of anything, it sure does raise additional questions regarding the propriety of the unprecedented charging of Donald Trump. I mean, think about it. Mark Pomerantz was pleading the Fifth to all these questions about a subject he was willing to literally write a book about. Pomerantz even pled the Fifth when Democrats asked him questions. New York Democrat Representative Dan Goldman asked Pomerantz if he still speaks to folks at the DA's office. He took the Fifth. Goldman asked Pomerantz if he has non-public information on these cases. Fifth. He even asked Alvin Bragg questions that would be easily answerable just by a review of the documents before him, and he asserted the same privilege. Something is rotten in the New York Manhattan DA's office. I am more certain of this now than when this day started, and we are not done investigating potential misconduct, misuse of federal funds, and further concerns. I suspect we will be calling Mr. Pomerantz back to compel responses when we are armed with a court order requiring him to do so. I believe he engaged in a subject matter waiver of the Fifth Amendment rights he asserted. More on that later. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel with notifications turned on. You won't want to miss any of the breaking news.